just driving, right? Just driving, trying to remember where to go to places, and not relying on my favorite tool, the Google or the Apple direction system. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's get to Sutha Kitchen where I started some really good grub. Grub-a-dub, vegan dub. And fun times, fun times. Now, I don't know if you guys have been following the latest, but apparently there's a bunch of companies working together with the government to provide you with a new service. I'm not sure if you had yours installed. Mine is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's called the butterscotch button. sorry. I can't.
Likey